first before applying any makeup. And secondly, I will apply moisturizer to keep my skin moisturized all the day. And then I will apply sunscreen to protect from sun UV rays, and also to keep the makeup fresh since it's a summertime, so this is very important step.
So first I'm going to apply concealer, which is 2 or 3 times brighter than my skin tone, in order to provide a good base or clean base for eyeshadow application. So I'm using a fluffy brush, and I'm going to take the two transition colors, mix them, and then apply them on the crease area in back and forth motion. You will need a longer time to do this process because it's very important step in order for the eyeshadows to blend very well. So yeah, so this step is really important and you have to take your time to do this. So next I'm taking the flat brush and I'm choosing that beautiful yellow color, and I'm going to apply on the eyelid area in a patting motion. So next I'm taking a crease brush also, and I'm taking that orange eyeshadow and I'm applying on the crease and the outer part of the eye in back and forth motion, and you will need time to do this. And in order to darken more the outer part of the eye, I'm choosing the dark chocolate eyeshadow and I'm applying with a pencil brush on the outer area only. And I'm taking the same crease brush to again blend the crease area in back and forth motion in order for all the colors to blend completely. You may take time to do this because this is a very important step. You want all the colors to be blended and it will look nicely blended after the complete look. So this process is really important. Make sure you take time to do this. And the last step, again I'm taking the yellow shadow to intensify the look again, because just now we did so much of blending, so the yellow color already faded away. So I'm again intensifying the color on the eyelid area. With applying a winged liner as usual using my fab liner Jordana. It's very easy to do a wing liner with this eyeliner look. So yeah. So next I'm applying an orange color corrector from LA Girl. This is very popular and very good for especially for hyperpigmentation. So I'm going to apply on the areas where I have spots, and later on I'm going to apply concealer on it so that we can conceal the orange part as well. And then I'm applying a compact powder from the Body Shop in the shade of Savannah Pagan, I guess. And I'm going to contour and also highlight my cheekbone as well. And I'm going to tight line on the lower lash line using the Maybelline Kohl. And applying a dark chocolate eyeshadow on the lower lash line to give it more
So that's all the video, guys. I really hope you like this kind of looks, because I want to create more videos on how we can create a unique kind of eye looks, especially for dusky skin girls. So I really hope you like this mini tutorial, and I will be coming up with more. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and you can also share this video if you ever liked it. And see you all in the next video.